I just wanted to show you some demo for a software. It's a Bizmax restaurant management software. And at the beginning, uh, we have two sections. One is the POS, that is the front end, and the other one is the back end, which are provided in the package. So I'll provide you the details about the front end at first, and we'll go to the back end later on. So this is the UI port of a software, and it's arranged in such a easier way. You can see the categories listed on the left side. You can see the products which are listed on the categories on the center part. As you can see it over here, you can either type a text or either you can add pictures on background so that it would be easier for the billing part to collect the information. I'm clicking to Arabic barbecue beef so that the product appears on the billing screen. You can type the customer name over here. You can provide the details. So the customer gets saved every time when you save it. And in case if you customer gonna visit again, you can search for the customer name over here so that it gets in touch with the same one. Or it's similar mobile, you can add mobile as well. Why you're providing this is like in case if you're integrating an SMS package or something, you can provide an OTP or either a message to customers if you're having any special meals on Friday or Saturday, Sunday special deals or something, so that you can just send notification to numerous customers who are listed in your software. These are the basic part on the left side and on the center part, and you can see the customer packs number of persons listed in a table or something. It depends upon the table you list. And on the billing section, you can see modify, split, remove, new, cancel, etc. You can remove a particular product from here directly if the KOT is not printed. So, for example, if I'm adding a sum, and also once the KOT is printed, you can split the order to two. That depends upon the quantity. Either if you need a new billing screen, you can go over there. You can just get a new billing screen. Modification, in case if you have a modifier, it'll come around here. So that what happens is, say for example, if I'm going to juice, where is the fresh juice? Say for example, if I'm adding Faluda. So in case if I need to modify Faluda, I'm going to click modifier. So from the backend, I'll be setting quite a lot of modifiers like this, like these boxes. So what happens is, whenever I click Faluda and I click modifier, there'll be modifier options like less sugar, just like what you're going to pass the remark. Say for example, if I'm passing a remark, less sugar. That's actually a modifier. So whenever we are printing it to the Q, when we deliver the QT, what happens is there will be less sugar text below the Faluda. Okay, so why we are giving modifiers is it's easier for the waiters to just pick it rather than typing. That's why we are adding normal modifiers. Okay, so this is what happens over here. And as we go to the right side, you can see in case if you're having a tablet ordering system, you can choose a waiter. Say for example, if the waiter is Biju and he'll be handling a particular tablet, so he need to log in with this name and he need to provide a password. Or either if there is no waiter, you can directly go to KOT. So what happens is the KOT is going to print to the kitchen. Right now, I'm not assigning a table. The table N is selected at the moment. So anyway, okay, selecting A1, the KOT is printed. I won't be able to show you the exact KOT format. Anyway, let me check. Okay, so the KOT is printed to kitchen. Before that, I need to tell you about the types of ordering over here. This is the table selection option. On the red, you can see the KOT. Yellow shows held. That means you can reserve an order. I mean, reserve a table. Or and the green one says billed, and the silver says it's vacant. Say, for example, if you're having two different customers on table A3, you can select chairs. Say for example, if you're billing for A, so what happens is the table number A gets selected and the chair is selected as well. There is a chair selection option in the software, and you can add an unlimited number of tables. It depends upon the array you're going to, create. And there is two more options. One is executive and takeaway. Executive in the sense, maybe for some restaurants they'll be having AC or non-AC, or maybe a special class, a business class, or a normal one. So we have provided executed rates so that we can add rates from the backend. So executive rate might be a little bit higher than the normal price, and it's held from the backend. So whenever you click executive and type an order, the almost the price would be different, and it automatically takes the data from the backend. And also the takeaway rate must be different. So that's actually a parcel order takeaway. We've given it over here. Okay, so I've already printed a KOT, and next thing we're gonna go to list, and you can see 1 minute 54 seconds have elapsed since I've printed my last KOT, so that it would be easier for them to track that the KOT which is placed, the order which is placed is not delivered yet because it's still in the open order list. Okay, and we can check using the time created over here. When you click on it, you can see the products. From here, you can remove it, but you need a password to provide a remark because the KOT is already printed. Next thing is we go to billing. So I've given card, cash, online test voucher. You can provide anything over here. It depends upon the uh, types of payments you're gonna accept, and you have provided cash and credit as well. In order for a customer, you need to create. I've created few customers in case if it's the same customer. You can see the credit use. You've been using 330. So if I'm having 160 and I'm in credit, I can close the order, and next time when I'm gonna purchase something, you'll see my balance over here. That would be around 490. That is 330 plus 160. So there is an option to settle. I'll show you later. Right now I'm going with cash. There is two options. One is also you can provide discount over here, either percentage wise or discount wise. For providing discount, you'll be needing a password. Only the manager has the right, so that whenever billing person is on taking the process, they'll be having a password. So I've created over here, and you can see the amount. You can add the amount, like say for example, it's 500. All right. So you can see the balance amount what you are supposed to pay to the customer over here. There are two options. One is you can bill the product, or you can close an order. Billing in the sense, once you bill, you will get a copy and you'll give to the waiter, and waiter will keep it in the booklet. And when the customer finished eating, the customer is going to come to the counter, and we're going to provide the close. They're going to provide the bill to us so that we can close the order. So what I'm doing right now, what I'm doing is I'm directly closing the order. So when you go to list, you can see bill order is null, closed order. Yeah, you can see the waiter Biju A1 is closed, and when you go to table, you can see the A1 is vacant at the moment. So it's easier for us to track the status. There is a bill reprint option over here, and yeah, I forgot to mention about it. You're having 1 to 5 hotkeys over here. Normally, this software is designed for POS machines and desktops. It supports both. So we've added a UI user interface in which customer would be it would be easier for customers to use it. Like the tabs which I've given is for POS machines, so that it would be easier for them to type, touch, and everything. Also, I've added sorry, there's a join bill option. In case if two customers want to join their bills, they can join it, and the bill will act as one and the same. Similarly, we have a table join option over here. So in case if you're having a party or party meeting or something, or either a family get together, and you're arranging tables in such a way so that it becomes one single table and one single bill. That is just a part of we have given in features, but it's helpful. Next thing I'm going to show you is the delivery part. Okay, there are two types of delivery orders. One is online or inside orders and online orders. Inside orders in the sense, if you get a call from a customer, you're gonna go over here, you're gonna add the customer, you're gonna type his number. Okay, I'm already there, so it's my name, and I've typed my list and everything. Details have been passed, and I can provide the time, delivery type of address. Right now, I just have primary address, delivery date, time, everything is set over here. Now, going to order. Okay, I'm printing KOT. When I got list, you can see delivery A over here, and I'm gonna bill it. Okay, and when I go to, you can see the status over here, and you can confirm it from here, assigning the delivery, so that the order is confirmed. Okay, so when I go to delivery, you can see Sibish order is billed and it's out for delivery. Okay, so what happens is, what happens is when whenever the delivery boy goes and delivers the product, he'll be coming back with the cash in hand and he'll be settling it. So what happens is we can go to the list and you can just bill order. Yeah, you can go to the list and you can close it. Whenever the delivery boy shows the bill he have delivered, you can add the amount over here and you can close it. So it's easier for you to close it later on. First time billing and then closing later on. It would be great. I think my software has stopped. Similarly, we're providing a mobile application. Okay. In case if a restaurant requires a mobile application, we'll be providing an exclusive mobile app for that restaurant in their brand name. And they can upload it in iOS and Play Store, Android Play Store. So what happens is whenever a customer orders from a particular circle, um, say for example if they are ordering plates, I'll tell you one thing, the application, the mobile application is completely synced with the software. So whatever we list over here on the left side categories will be in your mobile app, which you're going to provide it to your customers. The customers can directly download it from the Play Store. We'll be uploading it and we'll be doing the facilities required, and customers nearby we can add latitude and longitude so that you are supposed to reach a particular area, you won't be able to deliver it to areas which exceeds your permits. So we can set that from the backend, and whenever a customer orders, you'll be having a notification popping up from here. Yes, in the online orders. So you'll be having orders. Right now I don't have a mobile app. I'll show you the demo of mobile app. It's not a problem. Whenever a customer orders, there will be list of orders showing in the online orders, and there will be notification popping up over here, sorry, over here, like you have one new order. So same process happens from here. Online orders. We can go to, we can once you can, so once you click on it, once you click on that order, you can see what the customers have ordered. You don't need to type it again because it fetches data from here, from the software, so that you don't need to type it again. You can just directly print KOT and you can as a delivery boy. The same method which is used in the inside orders is used in online orders. The only thing is that it's going to fetch the data from here. So it makes us easier, make the jobs easy. And the other thing is counter. You can add denominations. When your counter opens, you will be putting cash in a counter. So that depends upon the amount you're gonna add it in your counter, so that we provide denomination. You can give how many numbers of 10, how many numbers of 20, how many numbers of 50, so that during closing, while the counter closes, you'll be getting an exact amount which is typically going to almost similar to what you've put as an opening balance. You'll be having the difference over here. You can calculate it. And last time I talked about credit, you can see my demo over here. You can search, you can see the credit, what I'm having. And in case if normally why we are providing credit facilities like in Middle East, we are having quite a lot of customers who buys food on a daily basis, and they're gonna provide the settlement after 1 month. So, say for example, if I'm gonna pay more, that's cash, and I'm paying out 100, one will settle. See, so I paid 100, my balance is 130. You can see it over here right now. So this is about the PS front end, and I think it's easier for you to understand and manipulate. It's the simplest way. And I forgot about one thing. You can also search. There is a search option. You can also search for the products. And yeah, this feature, sales posting. Okay, say for example, if you have any build item or anything which you've made or you missed it to bill it, so that you can just add a pay mode and add an amount and add discount if any, add tax if any, till you can post it. So whenever whatever happens, it's going to show in the report. Though if in case if you had a sales posting few days back and you were not able to note it in the software, you can do it from here. It depends upon the date you're going to select over here. So that's all about the software front end. I'll be explaining you about the back end in next video. Thank you.